Being a parent, there are two main responsibilities we have towards our children. Number one, parenting them. Number two, building a strong relationship with them. Now, what comes in parenting? Children's safety, their health, teaching boundaries, their education. What comes under building a stronger relationship? Respecting and connecting with them, praising them, accepting them, showing our unconditional love to them, and above all, talking to them politely makes your bonding more stronger. Parents, hope you are balancing both these roles in your parenting journey. Leave a heart in the comment box if it helps.